Maserati Ghibli, a symphony of Italian excess. Oh, the Maserati Ghibli. Just saying the name conjures up images of Italian dolcevita, sun-soaked coastlines, and probably a hefty repair bill. But let's forget about the bill for a moment and focus on the car itself. This is Maserati's cheeky little number that's supposed to take on the likes of the BMW 5 Series and the Audi A6. But that's like sending your chihuahua into a cage fight with a lion. It's bound to be amusing if nothing else. The Ghibli is what you get when the Italians decide to build a business saloon, but end up with a sports car wearing a suit. It's the automotive equivalent of James Bond Dangerous, but dressed to kill. Fire up that 3-liter V6 engine, and you're not greeted with a sensible hum. Oh no. Instead, it roars like a lion that's just been to a Metallica concert. This car doesn't just shout, it positively barks its intentions. Steering? Sharper than Gordon Ramsay after someone burns the risotto. Handling? Tighter than a Scotsman's wallet, and believe me, that's saying something. Let's talk about the looks. The Ghibli is achingly beautiful, like Sophia Loren at the Oscars. And that trident badge? It's as if Neptune himself said, let's have some fun on land for a change. The lines of the car are so elegant and evocative you almost feel guilty looking at it without a glass of Chianti in your hand. Step inside and you're enveloped in what can only be described as an orgy of leather and wood. It's as if a Gucci handbag store exploded, but in a good way. There are so many buttons on the dashboard you'd think you were in a fighter jet. Some of them do things, others do absolutely nothing. And the rest? Well, nobody really knows. And that's part of the charm. But let's not kid ourselves. The Ghibli has its flaws. Italianelectrics are as reliable as a politician's promises. The infotainment system seems to have been designed by someone who hates technology and all it stands for. And the boot space? You'd struggle to fit a picnic basket in there, let alone your Louis Vuitton luggage set. Yet despite all that, you can't help but fall madly, deeply, irrationally in love with it. It's that kind of car, the one that stirs your soul while simultaneously making your wallet weep. So, would you choose a Ghibli over its German rivals? If you value refinement, tech, and practicality, absolutely not. But if you want a car that's more opera than flat-pack furniture, a car that's flawed but fabulous, then my friends, the Ghibli is your chariot. It's like dating an Italian supermodel. Challenging, temperamental, but oh, so worth it. Enjoyed the ride? Then hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive indulgence. Keep your spirits revved up and stay with us for the next exhilarating episode here on Toy Cons.